hope you all are fine. Okay, so now we are moving towards just ending up the syllables of our English. Okay, this is the last poem, that is poem number 10 in English to How Creatures Move. Okay, here the pronunciation of creatures is creatures, not creatures. Okay, so please mind that. Okay, so now what do you mean by creatures first of all? So creatures means each and every human being, either animals or birds or insects or humans like us. ओके सो ये सब कोई जो है वो उनको बोला जाएगा क्रीचर्स. क्रीचर्स मतलब ह्यूमन बींग्स. ओके, ह्यूमन बींग्स में वी आर ऑल्सो देयर, इवन दैट लिविंग थिंग्स, ऑल द लिविंग थिंग्स लाइक एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स, ठीक है, इंसेक्ट्स, ऑल आर द क्रीचर्स ओनली. सो यहाँ पे द टाइटल ऑफ द पोएम इज दैट हाउ क्रीचर्स मूव. मतलब ये जो क्रीचर्स है, ये जो लिविंग थिंग्स है, वो कैसे मूव करते हैं. ओके, सो लेट अस सी दैट इन द पोएम ओनली. So sorry. Okay, even the pictures are also given. Okay, the lion walks on padded paws. Means lion, you know that who is lion. Lion is the king of a forest or king of the jungle only. Okay, so how he walks, वो कैसे चलता है. The lion walks on padded paws. Okay, you know that paws मतलब उसके जो पंजे होते हैं, उसके जो पैर होते हैं वो. And those are padded only. Padded का मतलब है, हिंदी में बोले होंगे उसको गद्दी वाला. If you have ever seen a lion, okay, in the zoo or anywhere, then you know that his feet are जस्ट पैडेड. ठीक है, वो गादी जैसी नीचे एक ये होता है. ठीक है, सो दैट ही वॉक्स ऑन दैट पैडेड पॉज. पॉज का मतलब पैर उसके. ठीक है, और पंजे. ओके, पैर उसके पैर तो नहीं लेकिन पंजे. ठीक है, द स्क्वीरल लीव्स फ्रॉम लिम्ब टू लिम्ब. ओके, सो हियर स्क्वीरल, यू नो दैट स्क्वीरल बहुत अच्छी होती, क्यूट होती. इट्स अ लिटिल क्रीचर ओनली. सो यस, स्क्वीरल लीव्स. लीव्स मीन्स जंप. ओके, लीव्स मीन्स यहाँ पे जंप. It jumps from limb to limb. Okay, that limb is there in the picture. Okay, that branch of the tree is there. So that branch of the tree is called limb. ठीक है, जो टहनी होती है ट्री की, that is called limb only. So yes, squirrel leaps or jumps or moves from branches of the tree to the next branches or the another branch of the tree. Okay, so that is the way the squirrel moves. Now let us move to the third stanza. While flies can crawl straight up a wall. Okay, no doubt you have seen flies also. Flies का मतलब मक्खियाँ. Okay, and they can crawl. Crawl means यहाँ पे सरकना और creep करना. Okay, यहाँ पे the each and every meaning of these words, walks, leaps, crawls, are nothing but the way, different ways of walking, different ways of going from one place to another. Okay, so that is called the flies crawl. वो crawl करती है, creep करती है. Okay, वो चलती है सरक के. And how they walk straight up a wall. मतलब वो एकदम straight चढ़ती है wall के ऊपर. Now, and seals can dive and swim. Okay, so here you can see in the left side of your mobile phone that a seal is there. Seal is a creature, one type of creature only. ठीक है, जो सी के अंदर रहता है. So they are called seals. और वो क्या करती है? They can dive and swim. वो dive भी कर सकती है into the sea and they can swim also. Okay, so this is a way of moving of seals only. Okay, now the next line is the worm, he wiggles all around. Okay, and yes, the worms, you have seen that worms का मतलब जो छोटे छोटे कीड़े होते हैं. देखो under the picture of fly, that worms in brown ना, that worms have been given to you. Okay, जो कीड़े होते हैं छोटे छोटे, they just the worm he wiggles all around. Wiggles मतलब टेढ़ा मेढ़ा चलना. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी the worm he wiggles all around. So because these ये जो worms होते हैं, जो कीड़े होते, बहुत छोटे होते हैं. सो ये they just wiggle all around. हमेशा हर तरफ वो टेढ़े मेढ़े चलते होते हैं. The monkey swings by his tail. Okay, and birds may hop upon the ground. So here two more creatures have been given. First is the monkey. You have seen monkey. Okay, and how they move. वो कैसे move करते हैं? So yes, they swing. वो लटकते हैं through that tail on the branch of the tree, and this is the way of moving. Okay, वो कैसे करते हैं? वो अपनी जो tail होती है वो branch के ऊपर ऐसे टिंगा के they can move from branches of the tree from one branch to another branch. Okay, this is the way of moving of monkeys. Now the next line shows, and birds may hop upon the ground, because birds can little walk also and they can fly also. Okay, तो bird जो होते हैं वो fly भी कर सकते हैं, they can slowly walk also. So here they hope means also jump. Okay, and here we can consider hope means as a walk only. So yes, they walk or they hope upon the ground. वो ground के ऊपर, upon means ऊपर, upon the ground they just hope. Okay, और spread their wings and sail. और ये भी मैंने बताया, देखो in the picture of that boy is standing ना, that boy is jumping, so उसके ऊपर देखो the wings are, that a bird is there. Okay, so yes, they can walk also, they can hope means jump भी कर सकते हैं, even they can spread their wings and sail. So many of the times near the rivers or near the seas, you have seen these birds. Okay, they are just flying onto the water. Okay, and means over the water, वो water के ऊपर fly कर रहे होते हैं, and even they can sail also. Sometimes they are just like putting their legs or paws into that running water only. वो पानी जहाँ पे बह रहा होता है वहाँ पे उसके नीचे से अपने पैर को ऐसे, तो that is called sail. Okay, उसको sail करना बोलते हैं, तैरना in short, तैरना. Okay, so yes, some of the birds can spread their wings and fly, and some of the birds can sail also, like ducks are there. ठीक है, ducks होती है वो तैरती है, तो that is called sail. Okay, but boys and girls have much more fun. So these are the key creatures, like we can say that monkeys are there, lions are there, squirrels and seals. Okay, so these are the creatures who can walk differently, no doubt, but they can perform the limited tasks only, like the worms can wiggle only, the flies can, we can say that crawl only. Okay, the flies can crawl only, then the squirrel can leap only. Okay, so this is the limited task they can perform. But if we want to talk about that boys and girls, means we the people, अगर हम हमारी बात करें तो we can have much more fun. And what is the way, like they leap, dance and walk and run, so we can do everything. We can dance also, we can leap means we can walk or jump also. Okay, we can run also, so we can swim also. Yes, swim has not been given, but yes, we can swim also. Okay, so these are the way we can perform. Okay, so means creatures are the different things. Okay, different creatures perform, they are having the different kind, or we can say the different style of walking. Okay, but boys and girls are the different one. Okay, they can have the much more fun. And how they can have much more fun? Because they are having the ability to leap, डांस, वॉक एंड रन. वो डांस भी कर सकते हैं, रन भी कर सकते हैं, वॉक भी कर सकते हैं, लीप मीन्स जंप भी कर सकते हैं और चल भी सकते हैं, कहने का मतलब. ओके, सो येस, वी आर हैविंग द मल्टी टास्किंग एबिलिटीज. ओके, वी कैन परफॉर्म मल्टी टास्क एट अ टाइम. ओके, सो येस, दैट वॉज अ पोएम ऑल अबाउट दैट इज हाउ क्रीचर्स मूव मतलब कैसे चलते हैं. सम ऑफ द न्यू वर्ड्स आर देयर. पैडेड आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड. ठीक है, गद्दी वाला जैसा कुछ होता है वहाँ पे. लिम्ब मीन्स यहाँ पे जंप करना. देन क्राउल मीन्स द सेम वर्ड इज देयर, क्राउल. ओके, डाइव मीन्स डाइव लगाना, और विगल मीन्स टीढ़ा मेढ़ा चलना. ओके, सो येस, दैट वॉज ऑल अबाउट द पोएम. ओके, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर सम ऑफ द, लाइक वी कैन से द न्यू वर्ड्स ओनली, द मीनिंग्स ऑफ द न्यू वर्ड्स एज वेल. ओके, सो चलो, नाउ आई एम एंडिंग माई पोएम हियर. I hope that you got the poem. If फिर भी, no doubt, I know that the doubts will come because some of the new words are there. Okay, so yes, if you are like, if you have noted any doubts, you can let me know in our Zoom lecture. Chalo, bye bye.